2025 is ending and we're going to go into 2026. New year, new you, new looping. Well, I've got a giveaway that's only available on the Loop Academy on School, starting from when you see this video. As long as you are a premium member and you're in that premium member in January, then I'll be doing a live stream on Saturday, the 31st of January. And everyone who is a premium member, we're going to get your name. I'm going to take those names and whittle it down to one winner who will actually win a month's worth of the premium tier. So basically, if you're in the premium tier for January, I'm going to refund you that month. So for January, you could actually learn something brand new, learn the courses, learn everything you need, and then actually get it for free. The other thing as well is the premium tier has two options. Option one is $49 a month, which is actually cheaper than my YouTube channel membership. But if you want to make that even cheaper, then you can lock it in for 12 months at $495. You've locked in at $41 a month, giving you access to everything now and everything that will come out in the future. If you go over to the classroom, you'll see the RC505 Mark II course, and right now I'm in the midst of filming it, as you can see right here. Now that will come out towards the end of January on School, and also available on my website, which is johnpaulmusic.co.uk. But if you're a premium tier member, either monthly or annual, you'll get access to it once it's out. So join the premium tier today, and even though this is the end of December, in January you will be a premium member because it's a month subscription at least. If not, you've locked in for a year. And at the end of January, on the 31st, we'll do that live stream and someone is going to get $49 back, making January for that person completely free. The other thing I wanted to talk about was the loop assignments. I've got loads of different loop assignments that I'm working on, and we're bringing them out about once a week. There are no loop assignments this week, as it is that weird week between Christmas and New Year. So just wanted to let you be aware of that. But starting next week, which is the 5th of January, then there'll be a new loop assignment. If you haven't gone through to the loop assignments, go through them. There's 2 available at the moment, and we'll bring that 3rd one out next week. And of course, everyone's got access to How to Loop Like a Pro. Let me know how you're doing. Let me know what your goals are for 2026 for looping. And also, did you get a new looper for maybe Christmas or the holiday season? Or did you treat yourself to that new looper and now you want to figure out how to use it? Let me know underneath, and get access to all the courses you want by going to the premium tier. And who knows, you could get January's premium price back and be completely free for you. All that remains is thank you very much for joining the community to begin with. Happy holidays, happy new year, and I'll see you next year.